Are you ready to take your nutrition game to the next level? Do you crave delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies that can power your day? Look no further than the Nutribullet Pro 13-piece blender mixer system. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this compact powerhouse is a game-changer for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle. Get ready to discover how the Nutribullet Pro can transform your daily routine and elevate your well-being. The Nutribullet Pro is not your ordinary blender. It's a nutritional powerhouse designed to enhance your health and well-being. With its powerful 900-watt motor, unique extraction blades, and exclusive cyclonic action, it can break down, pulverize, and emulsify whole fruits and vegetables like no standard blender or juicer can. This results in silky-smooth, nutrient-extracted beverages that nourish your body from the inside out. If you're someone who values an active and health-conscious lifestyle, the Nutribullet Pro is your perfect companion. It empowers you to create ultra-nutritious Nutriblast smoothies that you can enjoy at home or on the go. Its compact size and simple assembly fit seamlessly onto any countertop, while its cups, blades, and accessories can be easily rinsed under the tap or placed in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. The Nutribullet Pro is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive design makes it a device you'll want to use every day. Just load it up with dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and leafy greens, then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. It's as simple as that. In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence. The Nutribullet Pro understands this, and that's why it's capable of creating most smoothies in under 60 seconds. Now you can effortlessly incorporate healthful nutrition into your busy day without any compromises. Cleaning up after blending has never been easier. Simply twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Say goodbye to tedious cleanup routines and hello to health without the hassle. One of the key differences that sets Nutribullet Pro apart is its blades, which are specifically designed for nutrition extraction. This means it can turn ordinary foods into superfoods, ensuring that you get the maximum nutrition out of every ingredient you use. It's like having your own personal nutritionist in your kitchen. The Nutribullet Pro 13-piece blender mixer system includes everything you need to kickstart your journey to better nutrition. High-torque power base, one emulsifying extractor blade, 2 32 ounces colossal cups, 2 flip-top lids, 2 handled lip rings, 2 comfort lip rings, 1 blasting for optimum health recipe book, 1 user manual, 1 pocket nutritionist. Rest assured, the Nutribullet Pro is built to meet the highest electrical standards in North America and Canada, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. In conclusion, the Nutribullet Pro 13-piece blender mixer system is a must-have for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Its powerful motor, efficient extraction blades, user-friendly design, and easy cleaning process make it a standout choice in the world of blenders. Say goodbye to the old ways of blending and hello to a new era of nutritious and delicious smoothies. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock your inner nutritionist. Invest in the Nutribullet Pro today and embark on a journey to better health and well-being. Your body will thank you.